Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by updating your phone and carrier settings before boarding the plane today. Enable airplane mode in your settings to turn off cellular radios quickly. Next, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth separately while airplane mode remains active. Connect to the aircraft Wi-Fi network if the airline offers onboard internet service. If you plan to share internet, enable your device hotspot carefully and check airline rules. Keep battery at or above 50% and carry a charger or a power bank. Restart your device if hotspot fails to appear after configuring settings. Open settings and find personal hotspot or tethering option on most phones. Set a strong password with at least 8 characters and WPA2 security enabled. Choose 4 GHz or 5 GHz band if available. 4 GHz has longer range. Name your hotspot clearly so you can identify it among other networks in the cabin. Limit connected devices to reduce data usage and avoid exceeding airline bandwidth caps. Monitor data use regularly and disable hotspot when not in active use to save battery. Inform flight crew if required and follow any onboard hotspot policies or instructions. If hotspot does not connect, toggle Wi-Fi and reboot the phone for 2 minutes. Use a VPN when using public in-flight Wi-Fi or hotspot to protect your data. Watch data caps. Some plans charge per megabyte or cap at 500 MB or 1 GB. Turn off automatic backups and app updates while sharing your hotspot to avoid surprises. Keep devices on airplane mode with Wi-Fi enabled to comply with regulations and safety. Report persistent issues after landing and check your carrier for specific hotspot limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.